Hello everybody, welcome back to Throttle Grotto. So this week we have been hard at work outside on the boxsturd, and I'm going to show you guys real quick what we've gotten done. Hopefully between my neighbor running his riding lawnmower because it's really noisy outside, and then we're going to get straight into what we're working on today. Alright, so last time you guys saw this car, it was, let's see here, I hadn't replaced the passenger side door. I've got that on. Driver's side door is on and done. Both the fenders have been changed. And I've cut out everything in the front of the car to accept the new FRUNK pan, I guess you'd call it. So we've got, well, first I'll show you the pile of scrap metal that we've accumulated so far. So yeah, we've accumulated a significant amount of scrap metal already. But the good news is I had a whole complete nose to cut down, and now it is, I kind of skipped all of the like cutting and shaping and cutting and shaping and cutting and shaping. So now we're in the kind of the final fitting now of the front end, basically the whole frunk. And so I'll show you guys how I did it. So this part hasn't been mated up yet. Underneath here I ended up with a really nice reference point. Basically these on both sides, these give me good reference as to how to line this whole front end back up. And then I just started to make my cuts up here around the frame rails. And so that is what we're going to be finishing up today. Hopefully is getting this front end at least tacked into position. Maybe get some little stitch welding here and there, but there's still a lot of work to do to make this whole front end go into place. So I'm going to get back to it. Alright everybody, I apologize. The camera decided to run out of battery about a third of the way through the job that I was recording, and at that point I had not noticed it for about an hour and a half. And so I just decided I'm just going to punch through and do as much as I can today. So I've kind of run out of steam at this point, but I've been out here for about 8 hours now working on this. Give you an idea of how long it takes. I started out the day with this needing to be cut down to fit in between the frame rails and trimmed back to fit where I made the cuts earlier. Now, I will say some of my cuts I didn't measure right or whatever, but so I've got some gaps to fill, particularly on the driver's side, but everything's in, it's tacked in place. And check this out, I put the hood latch in and doo-doo-doo-doo. As it sits right now, the hood even latches. So that tells me, like, I'm looking at the gaps on the fenders, and it does need a little bit of adjustment side to side, but like everything is lined up really well, all things considered. So I'm super happy with how this is going so far. I've still got a lot of welding to do, particularly on the front. I've really got like so many cuts that I had to make to get this piece into place. So that will be what I'll be catching up on in the future, is trying to get all the welding done to all the places where I've made cuts. There's some places I still need to trim to because I've got metal kind of overlapped in some spots, so I need to trim it back to make a nice gap to weld. Good progress today though. The core support is in place, which is what I wanted to get done this weekend. It'd be nice if I had time to weld everything up, but these things are so time consuming that, you know, sometimes you just got to take what you can get. So that's all for today. Until next time, thank you for watching. Get out there and work on something.